when the sun rises and sets, where do we end? Where do we begin? Donning with our daily armor, taking every moment to save, not wasting our chances. Idealistic in the face of crisis, we move in a dash, in a blink, yet in the brink of eradicating the invincible enemy's grasp. Our throat dries. We get trapped in a never-ending turmoil. Drowned in the abyss, swallowed by darkness, enclosed into loneliness. Eyes droop, mind shrouded in thoughts of what is next, who is next. For we are tired of thinking that this is our always, tired of not being able to comfort with physical touch, tired of losing colleagues and people with their stories halted. Tired of failing to see the sun in the sky, of words running dry, of time passing by, of wailing cries, of watery eyes, of deep sighs, of endless tries of being okay, of asking when and why. Why must the sun disappear in the clouds when the rain falls?
Just because the sun is hidden by the clouds doesn't mean it's gone. As coldness envelopes the shivering night, we wait for the warmth that will melt the freezing melancholy. It does shine after the storm. We see plethora of words through orbs, hoping to see again smiles of positivity behind those masks. You are at the dawn of your life, my dear. Fear not, though my sunset is near. Remember that life goes on as long as we stand strong. The sea of possibilities exists with His mercy and compassion. Soon, the day will come when the sun meets the sea, when there is an end to our misery. As the universe continues in motion, let the flickering light turn into a bright side. Being tired is part of the process, but perseverance and resilience aid us to bounce back. Being fearful of what might happen is part of the process, but we hold on to faith. Being emotional is part of the process, and those feelings are valid. We adapt, we try to prosper, we cling to prayers. Every setting of the sun urges us to rise again in the east, to garner peace, prosperity, and back to normalcy. All will be all right in time.
We shine in the vast blue sky.
We rise as one.